hicking mic died. So I was there, trying to find a way to fix it. In the beginning, I just put it on and there was nothing but static. Just static. Nothing more, nothing else. So I just wondering what to do. So I went to the coffee shop and say, hey, I need hicking money to buy another mic. But none of you donated money. Thanks to the people that give me $6 to buy another mic. So I went and bought a very cheap, very simple mic. The problem was that suddenly, when I connected it, and then I went to test the hicking sound, I find out more static, no sound. So at that point, I didn't know what to do. So then I went with the very, very little money that I had remaining and bought this little fella over here, which has allowed me to at least have sound and not pure static. And that was the trouble, to get some sound. Thank you for watching and give all your money to the Ko-fi link. The PLP project must be completed and it can only be completed with your help. Go donate now or get destroyed and your mother will die in sleep tonight.